Do you sound like tractor while sleeping? Then you might be dealing with a sleep apnea here. So what happens during sleep apnea to your body? Listen to this. If you were during your sleep apnea, your oxygen will fall in the body, leading to decreased oxygen supply to the vital organs like brain and heart, leading to early heart disease, early strokes, and even early heart attacks also because of sleep apnea. So don't wait for the sleep apnea to get these diseases, and consult your pulmonologist today to get yourself screened for sleep apnea, and to prevent your snoring to disturb your family. Okay, now you got six pack abs but still coughing on the stage, right? I think it might be time to take the things very seriously. So listen, asthma doesn't care about your biceps or your muscle strength. Even the fittest people can have breathing issues. So you might look strong today, but lungs are not. So if this sounds like you don't just ignore it. Get your lungs checked, because strength isn't just about what you lift. It's also about how well you breathe. Okay. Now you cleaned your bed, but did you clean your fan? Listen, dust sits quietly on the fan blades of your room. When you turn it on, it throws that dust into your room like a party cannon, and just you breathe all that in. So that's why your nose gets blocked or keep coughing at night, and you don't understand the logic or reason behind it, why the cough is coming repeatedly. So if your fans spinning like a DJ and dropping the dust like a powder, then it's time to for a cleanup. A clean fan makes better sleep and happy lungs.